Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we're going to take a look at the iPhone 13 Pro and a few Poetic cases that Poetic brand sent me. So I've done several videos with Poetic cases already, so shout out to them for sending me some phone cases every time I ask for them, basically. So for the most part, again, this is for the iPhone 13 Pro, not the Pro Max, just to be specific. But they did send me about four little things here. So one of the cases is the Poetic Guardian series for the 13 Pro. Let's go ahead and put this aside. The other one is the iPhone 13 Pro Revolution series case. Ooh, I knocked down my little thing over here. And then my last item here, well, not including the last one, but this one over here, is the Spartan. So they sent me Guardian, Spartan, and Revolution. And then they sent me this. So I'm not sure what this is. It does feel like a case though. So let's go ahead and get this open. And this is not, maybe this is maybe a new packaging for them, maybe. For the most part though, it looks like something that can just be opened really quick, obviously. But I feel like I might need scissors. Again, it's being left-handed and being a YouTuber is not the funnest thing ever, just so you guys know. So let's go ahead and get this open. It looks like it's just a clear, solid case here. So let's go ahead and get this going. And I'm not sure if any of these cases are MagSafe cases. The one I normally use is a Spigen case, but let me just clean that off there just a little bit. This one's just a very hard, clear plastic case here. Let's go ahead and turn off the screen there. Okay, hold on. There you go. Okay, so there you go. So check this out. So again, this one's just a nice little solid clear screen here. Clear case here, and for the most part it looks good. It looks really good. And if you see like any type of light in the background, it actually kind of glows off of it a little bit. Like I have my LED light turned on in the background, and this looks actually pretty good. And again, I want to use this, but at the same time, again, I do use MagSafe a lot. Because I have a MagSafe charger here in my room, and I do a lot of wireless charging. There's a wireless charger right there behind me as well. I know the wireless charging would probably work, but the MagSafe case, but it won't stick. It doesn't want to stick, so you need that case that has like that little magnetic thing. But overall, this case is very nice and good looking all the way around. Again, it's not a very thick case, but it will get the job done as far as you dropping it. And again, just so we can get that cool exposure shot right there. It does look nice, so let's go ahead and jump to the next case. And just so you guys know, that case was called the Poetic Lumos Series iPhone 13 Pro Clear Case. If you guys are interested, I will be posting links in the description below for all of these cases. And again, the cool thing about Poetic cases is their cases are actually relatively inexpensive. Most of the time they're between $10 and $25. Again, I will post up links. Again, I don't have direct prices on these specific cases right now at the making of this video, but I will post the links on them. So again, a lot of the time they do make harder shield cases for these devices, right, which will have screen protectors as well. So for the most part, this one being the metallic Spartan phone case, this one is a rugged case. It does look nice. Again, you have that, I guess, that front screen protector that I'm not too big of a fan on those. I'm going to see if I can actually get that removed here. There you go. And then I'm just going to install the one that doesn't have that specific portion. Again, not to say that I don't like using those, but anytime a piece of dust or something gets trapped underneath those, I kind of just get deterred from using the device. So I'm actually going to start with this really quick. Let's go ahead and usually I use the one without the screen protector, and I just go straight to it. So again, this one. Oh, I'm not trying to use my credit card. Hold on. Let's see. There we go. I'm hoping I have it on correctly. Nope, I don't. I have it on backwards. Whoa, okay, hold on. I opened up TikTok by accident. There we go. Okay, so that's the only thing I hate about the iPhone is anytime you click it, double click the power button, you get all that mess right there. So here we go. I already do have this on here. Let's go ahead and see if I can get this inserted into the actual phone itself, and again, or the case itself. It's really not that hard. You just have to kind of wedge it in a little bit, and I'm pretty sure I have it matched up. Nope, I have it backwards. So obviously you want to make sure that the camera cutout goes with this. And I want to use this case so bad because it feels so protective. Like I feel like I can drop this phone like off a building and nothing would happen to this to this actual case. Look at how good that case looks. And you know what the cool part about it is? It has a kickstand. So if I'm watching a movie or something like that, boom, like I can just lay it down and, you know, put it on something, lay it on something if I'm, you know, sitting at work or on break or something like that. And, you know, these Poetic you know, rugged cases, you know, they don't let down. I'm going to tell you that much. You know, if people are still wasting money on OtterBoxes, they shouldn't, because they're way too expensive. And again, this is the Spartan case, so let's go ahead and check out the other case. Alright, so the next case that we have in the lineup is the, looks like it is the Revolution series case. And again, I'm going to lay this over here so we can get this open. And again, this most likely is another rugged case for the actual device. Ooh, this one's red. They don't normally send me red cases, so I'm actually kind of excited about this one. So again, another rugged case. Again, I'm going to just put all the details aside there. And again, Poetic Cases are super inexpensive. So again, scan the code there for installation guides, right? It does give you a cool little quick installation guide if you guys are not familiar with installing these cases. I've done several of these with other devices, so I'm pretty well versed on it. Oh, this is more of a pink case. Okay, so for the most part, you know, I think I'm just going to show you this one just because, you know, I'm not for the pink, but I might give this to my mom just because she does have an iPhone 13, so I'm thinking this one might fit with her phone as well. Maybe I'll make a separate video on that, but again, same concept, you know, as the Spartan case. You know, you have that little back area over here, and of course you do have pretty much solid corners here, just like you would with that last case that I was showing you. Again, very similar ruggedness. It's kind of like a hard rubber, but at the same time, you know, the back doesn't feel like ugly like an OtterBox case does, and you know, it's more ruggedy than anything. Okay, I'm going to put that aside for now. Very nice. Again, that one's the Revolution series case, and let's go ahead and check out the last case, guys. And hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. Again, I know for those of you who are looking for an alternative as far as like an iPhone 13 case, you know what I mean? You know, these are always good ones. The one that I would most likely go with is this Lumos case, though, and the reason, look at that, Lumos. I can tell you why they're calling it Lumos right now. So let's go ahead and get the unboxing going on this. And again, thank you for you guys that continue to follow my channel. Definitely really appreciate this. This one also does look good. I can see here that it does look a little see-through. Hopefully, definitely a case that I would use if it is see-through, just because, you know, I am about those see-through cases. And let's take a look. So yep, just so you guys can see, it is see-through. So basically, let's compare it really quick. You know, it is somewhat like the you know, the Spartan case here. And again, for those of you guys who want to know the name on that, forgot to mention that that one is the Guardian case. So if you guys are interested in a Guardian case, again, this is what it looks like. This one is the Spartan case, but this one, of course, is see-through on the back, so you get that clearness over here. So I think I am going to actually install this one over here just to get that going. Again, I do like clear case phones over here. They just look a lot better to me. And let's go ahead. I think I'm going to actually use the same front to this case, just because I think it's the same exact thing. Should be the same exact thing. Let's see if I can pop that out really quick. And that's the cool part about it is, you know, most likely you can mix and match parts on some of these items here. So like for the most part, like, you know, if you're ordering more than one case and you lose a part, you can most likely use this on another part. So let's go ahead and get that connected. And then I'm just going to go ahead and slide that in just like I would the other device here. So most likely it should just slide in. I should have no issue with that. Hopefully not, at least. I'm pretty sure it'll slide in just like it would normally with the other case. You just kind of have to flush it down once you get it connected over here. Let's go ahead and peel off that back for you ASMR people, ASMR people. Hold on, let's see if I can get a better shot there, and let's go see if I can peel that. Ooh, that felt pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna stick this over here for now. And again, it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you know, again, the phone is protected. Again, I'm not using that plastic cover. So if you guys want that extra layer of protection with that front-facing cover, you know, this isn't definitely not a glass screen, but it's a plastic screen, and it's a screen that you will be able to use, you know, with your device here. Again, I'm not a fan of it. I already have a glass shield on my phone there. If you can see that, right, there's already a glass screen protector, so I really don't need something like that. But for the most part, you know, definitely impressed by all these cases. Again, if I had to choose out of all 4 cases, I would probably go with the Lumos case, you know, just because, you know, again, look at that. It looks pretty cool, again, you know, when, you know, it's reflected off something. So definitely something to look at, guys. And again, if you guys are interested in any of these products, I am going to link them all down for you guys to check out. So again, thank you guys for watching the video. You know, it's a long video. Thank you for watching the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. We'll see you guys next time, okay?